You won't escape this time, you bitch! Yeah. Yeah. You shouldn't have done that. Keep your eyes peeled. He's here. Over here, boss. Looks like blood. Kiki, what happened?
I'm coming with you.
Gotcha now. Get this thing off me! Kaka, you're burned.
Requesting immediate backup and medical transport to Sector 7.
You won't get away with this!
It's over, Kuku. We got the diamonds.
You have to operate now. He swallowed it. The diamond.
Understood. We're prepping the incision immediately.
You did it. Good boy.
We're all done, Kaka.
Yes, I'd like to report the location of the stolen diamond. This is Koko speaking.
Welcome home, Kaka.
Oh.
It's so beautiful. Good boy, Kiki. Excellent. Keep going. Almost there. Jump, jump. You got it. So proud of you. All right, you two. Here's a treat.
Thank you, Koko.
Enjoy, enjoy.